Assalamu alaikum students. We continue unit number 3 with exercise 3.4 question number 1, in which we are required to use log tables to find the value of this product. As we have already learned how to use log table as well as the scientific, and we prefer to use calculator to solve such kind of question. So there is no harm either we use log table or scientific calculator, both are allowed. So therefore generally the students prefer to use scientific calculator. So let's do it. In such question, first of all, we let the product is equal to a variable x. Let x is equal to 0.8176 multiply 13.64. In the next step, we take log of the both sides. We have log x is equal to log 0.8176 multiply 13.64. Now we observe that the values are in a product form. So it means we apply the law of product, the first law of log. We have log 0.8176 plus log 13.64. By using calculator, we replace the values of log 0.8176 and log 13.64, which are minus 0.0874, 1.1348. We use calculator to simplify this and we have 1.0474. As we have a single value equal to the log x, now we apply the definition of anti-logarithm, which we have already learned. That is, we take anti-log of both sides. We have x is equal to anti-log 1.0474. As when we take anti-log of both sides, so the left hand side the log is cancelled by the anti-log, and in the right hand side we have that anti-log. Now using calculator, we press the button shift log, and pressing that value we get the answer, and that is 11.15. Using calculator, when we press anti-log, mean shift log 1.0474, we get value up to 10 digits. But according to the log table, as we have to relate our answer to the log table, so hence we have to restrict these values up to 4 significant figures. Mean after first non-zero digit we have to write 3 more digits. Therefore our answer is 11.15. Other than digits which are written after it, we eliminate these. We do not write in the answer. You should remember the difference to write the value of log and the value of anti-log. When you find the value of log, you write only the first 4 decimal place values, and in the anti-log you write the first 4 significant figures. That's it for the question number 1, part 1. Now we move to the part 2. In part 2, we are required to find out the 1/8th power of the 789.5, which is a little bit difficult. So the law of log will help us to evaluate in simple method. So in doing this, we let this number equal to a variable. Let x is equal to 789.5 raised to power 1/8. In the next step, we take log of the both sides. Log x is equal to log 789.5 whole power 1 over 8. If we observe the right hand side, the values are in exponential form. So it means we apply the law of exponent, mean the third law of log. We have 1 over 8, mean the power will become coefficient 1 over 8 log 789.5. Now using calculator, we find the value of log up to 4 decimal places, that is log 789.5 is equal to 2.8973. Dividing 2.8973 by 8, we have a single value equal to the log x. Now we apply the definition of anti-logarithm, that is we take anti-log of both sides. We have x is equal to anti-log 0.3621, as log is cancelled by the anti-log in the left hand side. Using calculator, we press shift log 0.3621 and we have the answer, that is 2.3019. As we are required to write the first 4 significant digits and the fifth digit is quite near to round that value 2.302. Generally we do not require this. This value is 19 is nearly equal to 20, so therefore we write 2.302 over here, and that's it for the part 2 of question number 1.